Hi guys, this is a new video. This is a Charles Bronson unboxing. A couple of new titles of Charles Bronson on Blu-ray, and the steel books there. I will be showing them at the end of the video. So let's get ahead. First of all, this is the first Bronson one. Let me just pause it so I can undo it. And that is the Canon Classics double feature, Deathwish 4 and Deathwish 5 from Umbrella in Australia. Now this, beautiful artwork. Turn it over. Sorry about the glare. There's Deathwish 4 and there's Deathwish 5 pictures. There's Deathwish 4 writing. It's not going to be focused, so I don't think you can read it. The bloody shadow, because it's 1 o'clock in the morning, so there's a bit of a shadow. Deathwish 5. Oh, it's coming to focus now. Right. These have special features. Oh, out of focus again. Let's put it up here and see if we can focus it. Oh yeah, there it is, focus. Both films have audio commentaries by film historian Paul Talbot, the author of the Bronson Loose book. Theatrical trailers, TV spot, TV broadcast promo, VHS previews and image gallery. It's, as you can see, it's 18s and over, and it's region B locked. I'm not sure if it is region B locked, or does it just say it is? So now this one looks quite good, because I do have its sister Blu-ray of the Deathwish 2 and Deathwish 3 films. Now this Deathwish 2, this is the complete uncut version, including every minute of the rapes and the violence. It's completely uncut. It's the director's cut. It says there, Deathwish 2 unrated director's cut. Deathwish 3. That's blooming focus is a pain in the blooming ass, man. Yeah, unrated theatrical cut. Disc 2 contains the theatrical TV version, the Greek VHS version, which has extra scenes spliced into it. It has the rape cut out, but it has the splicing of the other scenes in it. As you go to my YouTube channel, you will see right at the start of my YouTube channel, keep going down the videos, right down, down, you will see the deleted scenes there. So this makes a good companion. Deathwish 4 and 5. I can't wait to get to the audio commentaries to listen to some new stuff, because I've watched these films countless times. I only bought this because of the commentaries. I want to see I want to hear what's new. So that is Deathwish 4 and 5. Oops, try to get them to stay up and they won't. So put them there anyway. Right. Next up is this one. I've taken my address off, so it just looks like a box. No name on it because I've taken it off. And this is from Finland. Future Movie Group. So I'll be back in a sec and unbox this. Right, let's open this up and see what it is. There's a note, that's a packing slip. Bubble wrap. Get rid of that. Right, a bubble wrap. So it's bubble wrap, so it's got to be a steel book. Yes, another Charles Bronson steelbook was spoiled this month, but this one unlike that crap Death Wish steelbook, this is quite a good steelbook. And it is Once Upon a Time in the West. Sergei Leone. Sorry, it's a bit, if I pronounced that wrong. Henry Fonda, Jason Roberts, Charles Bronson. That looks like a beautiful steelbook. Look at all that shiny. The back of it. Again, this is from Finland. So it's got all the Finland, Dutch, Swiss, sort of Nordic languages. Special features. Commentaries. An opera of violence. I'm not sure if this has got the special features that are on the Blu-ray. I think there's more special features on this than there is on the Blu-ray. I think the Blu-ray only had a theatrical trailer and a commentary, I think. I'm not sure. But look at that. This is the classic Western. Classic Western. Now this is the Nordic version. This is coming out in the UK in a couple of weeks. Now I ordered this before I saw that it was coming out in the UK. But going by Paramount, it is Paramount, yeah, going by Paramount, it'll be the same version, just it'll have a 12 certificate stuck on the case, and the J card will be in English, and it'll have a 15 on 12 on the disc. It'll be the same content. Paramount seem to do that, but I quite like that. It's my best spaghetti western. Once Upon a Time in the West, classic film. Can't wait to watch that. Now let's move on to the Charles Bronson steelbooks. There's that one, and there's that one. Can you guess which one is the American version and which one is the British version? Nope, neither can I. They're identical, even though the one on the right is the Zavvi exclusive, or limited to 3,000, and the one on the left is the mass-produced American version. Hey and behold, they're identical. Even the backs, that's got that on it. This has got the J card still attached. So we'll move that J card down. Exactly the same, see? Right. Now, the only difference with these is the J card for the UK version has got the British certificates on it, and the American version has the American certificate version on it. And the discs are R-rated there, and on this one they are the 18 certificates. Exactly the same film, exactly the same, just that it's got the British certificate on the disc, and the disc in this one is exactly the same as the half the price version of the standard blue case Blu-ray, which is going, I think, for about £8 now, or £5 for 30 on HMV. Much cheaper than this. And what gets me is, this is such a missed opportunity to have a beautiful Bronson in his iconic film, and they treat it like shit. Sorry for language, but they treat it like shit. Even so, the J card has a massive picture on the back of Death Wish 3. What the hell is that about? God knows. Anyway, that's my rant about the blooming Death Wish steelbooks. And one last one. This is not a Charles Bronson, but I just thought I'd throw it in because I've just received it. And that is Schwarzenegger's Terminator Genesis 4K Blu-ray steelbook. I'm not going to open it. I'm trying to keep it sealed. Now I have all the Schwarzenegger Terminator films on steelbook now. including, where is it? There it is. Including the old Terminator 2 Steelbook, Skynet edition, and I also have the new version of the Terminator 2 Steelbook somewhere. So that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. Sorry about the glare, and I'll be doing something special for my 4,000 subscribers. I'll be hitting that soon, maybe next week. I'll see. I might give a couple of Bronson films away. We'll have to see. But until next time, stay blue and stay safe. And please, if you like Bronson, please watch. I'm uploading a series of his old classic TV shows and films. It's just potluck which ones stay up, because some of them get copyrighted. I have to edit the music out of some of them. Some are copyrighted, some are not. It's just potluck which stays up. You know, YouTube. Anyway, stay blue, stay safe. Good night, guys.